Well guys, probably the first thing you'll notice is I am not at Bull Shoals today. I am decided to come up here to Pomme de Terre. This is kind of where I originally started my crappie fishing, and we're gonna give it a try today. Guys been catching some up here, and I've not been up here for 2 months. This is where I normally fish most of the time, but we're gonna give it a try and gonna get the boat in the water here and see what happens. I was a little afraid that the ramp would be covered in snow because as you can see, there's snow on the ground over here, but the ramp's ice free, and we're gonna get the boat in and see if we can't catch some crappie. We got the boat launched. See if we can catch some crappie. Woo! We got the boat launched, and I believe it is going to be a very airish ride down the lake. Good thing I'm not going very far, because it is definitely a cold morning. It's got to be probably, I'm guessing somewhere in the high 20s, probably 27, 28 degrees, I would say. I don't have a thermometer, but I forgot to look and see what the water temperature was when I put in. Well, we're gonna give her a try. Well guys, there's the first crappie of the day. Little bitty guy, little bitty white crappie. Ain't caught any white crappie in a long time since I've been fishing down there at Bull Shoals. Well, it's nice to know that I ain't gonna get skunked. I caught something. There you go, little guy. There's a nice palmy crappie. Heck yeah, nice big white crappie. Put a little water in the live well. Find the old bump board. Well, fish, you are about 11 3/4. About what you are. We'll take you. Well, there's another little one. Another little guy. There's a crappie, I believe. We'll see. This is old Pommy. All they got to be is 9 up here. So. See what he measures. Oh, that's nice. That stupid thing's broke. He's 9 inches, almost 10. 9 1/4, something like that, maybe. There you go, buddy. There's another keeper. Pomme de Terre keeper. That one's about 10. He's about 10 inches. There you go, buddy. Well, there's another one. That looks like an awful little fish, but we'll get the old deal out and see. He looks awfully short though. Well, he's over 9. Ooh, got us another. Another little bitty crappie. That little bitty fella there. There you go, buddy. Looks like a decent fish. Oh yeah. Nice crappie. Nice crappie. We'll get the net on him. Come on, buddy. Oh, where you at? Oh, that's a white bass. I think that's a white bass. I'd have had a big old crappie there. A white bass. What I got is a freaking mess here with the net, though. How hard it is to do stuff with gloves on. Come here, buddy. All right. Find my pliers. White bass. We'll take him. Well, managed another little guy. You look awfully short, buddy. You look awfully short. Not these. Well, I'll tell you, go down there to Bull Shoals and catch them big old crappie. It's hard to tell these 9-inch crappie up here at Pomme. Oh boy, there's a toad. Look at that guy. Oh, buddy. Little bitty fish. What a whopper. Something that's weird up here at Pomme is this moss. I've never ran into this moss like this before. I don't know what the deal is. Never hooked a fish under the bottom of his lip either. Don't quite understand that. But this moss is terrible. It's not on top of the water. It's, I don't know. It's weird. I don't know if that one's... Looks like a little fish to me. Come here, buddy. You actually are almost 10 inches. 9.5. You're a Pomme keeper. Little fish, little fish. Story of the day. Well, I caught another little one. Maybe a keeper. Maybe a keeper. Mouth shut, over the line. He's a 9-inch fish. I've got 4, 5, 6, 7. I got about 9 fish, so it ain't been a terrible day. There's a keeper. Come here, little guy. Yep, he's almost 10. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I believe there's 9 fish in there. That makes 10, and I got 1 white. Well, using my old ACC crappie stick, I'm throwing this Bobby Garland slab slayer. Looks like my hook has been a shade. fix that some. But just throwing that out here over brush. There's a brush pile out here. Brush pile and a big old stump. And just picking up one every other cast or so. I'll pick up one. Kind of a slow process, but it's catching fish, so gotta like it. Little bitty crappie there. Little bitty feller. Well, there's another little guy. Seem to be liking the electric chicken right now. Well, that's a long little crappie. There you go, buddy. A long little bitty crappie. Man, that little guy choked that thing. Holy moly. Might have to get the pliers out. Little bitty feller. There you go, buddy. Another little bitty guy. Another little long fish. He's gonna be a big one of these days. There you go, guy. There's a little better fishing we've been catching. Heck yeah. I'll take it. He's shade over 10 by 10 and a half. Got him. Got the little feller. Boy, well, that is a big old crappie, ain't it? There you go, little buddy. Come back when you get bigger. The little guy hit it hard, but just a little bit, another little bitty feller. I'll tell you. You want to catch a lot of fish, go fish at Pomme de Terre. You want to catch big crappie, you go to Bull Shoals. That's what I've seemed to be running into. Another little fish. Another little bitty guy. There you go, buddy. Another white bass. Another little bitty white bass. Got something pretty decent here. Yeah, decent crappie. He looks like a little guy, but we'll put him in the old plastic deal and see. Well, he's a keeper. He don't go in there. That's number 14. There's a nice crappie. Decent. Decent crappie. Put him in the box. He is about almost 11 inches. Okay guys, we had a really nice day on Pomme today. I ended up with 15 crappie and 2 white bass. The monkey milk crappie tubes is what got them early till about 10:30, and then they quit biting them, and I put on Bobby Garland Slab Slayer Electric Chicken, and that's what I finished the day out with. Had a real nice day. Hopefully I'll get back up there again before too long. But I just want to thank everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me comments down below if you have any comments, any questions. And everybody have a great evening. Thank you. Fifteen crappie, 2 white bass.